Hey guys, it's Jolene. Welcome back to Motivation Monday. This is video number 13 in this series. And I'm going to touch back on a video that I already made about comparison. And I'll link that video right here if I can find it for you guys. But it is part of this Motivation Monday series. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit more in depth about that. Because I have had some questions recently on this topic, and I feel like I could have done a deeper dive on it, so I'm going to do that today. So I don't care if your business has, or if you have been in business for a month or 10 years, it never completely goes away, the problem it is. So people are comparing themselves to the wrong things. They compare themselves to what people have been building for years and years and years. And then they look at them and they compare subscribers, followers, sales, websites, products, and confidence. And then they wonder why they feel so discouraged all the time. So today I want to give you a different way to measure your progress. And I think that's going to help you change how you look at your business. So you keep comparing yourself to somebody else's finished product. And you're watching someone become successful and you're only seeing today's version. You're not seeing the nights that they stayed up learning. You're not seeing the mistakes. You're not seeing the bad videos. You're not seeing the failed products. You're not seeing the uncertainty. And you're only getting to see their highlight reel and not the construction phase. So I want you to go back and think about where you first started. Maybe it was opening your Shopify store, making your first product, uploading your first YouTube video, or writing your first blog. And do you remember how actually freaking hard that felt? Everything was new and everything took forever. And now I want you to think about those same tasks, but how you are doing them today. They're much easier now. And it's not because the task changed, it's because you changed. So here's where the comparison actually matters. Instead of asking yourself, why aren't I where they are? Ask yourself, what can I do today that I could not do 6 months ago? I'm actually dying to know what this is. So please, members, leave your comments and tell us, what is it that you can do today that you couldn't do 6 months ago? Upload some pictures. Maybe you could put them on the community tab so we could actually see them as well. But leave your comment here on this video. So maybe it is that you know how to upload products. Maybe it is that you know how to edit videos. Maybe it is that you know how to write better product descriptions or create engaging Pinterest pins. Or perhaps you learned how to use ChatGPT. Perhaps you learned how to understand SEO. All of those are wins, and those are proof that we're growing. Progress is really freaking hard to see when you're close up. Have you ever watched a child grow? What you see, when you see them every day, you barely notice, right? Then a relative visits, a week from yesterday, and they're like, oh my gosh, they've grown so much this week or this month. Business is the same as well. You are too close to your own progress to be judging it. You need to take a step back, and that's when it's going to feel like things are actually starting to progress for you. Just try to, remove yourself or even get an accountability partner. And, once you see what other people are doing too, you can keep, checks and balances for each other. And they're going to be able to tell you, are you stalled out? Have you actually accomplished anything? Try to be honest with each other if you do have an accountability partner. So your growth isn't always going to be visible. Most times people are measuring their growth, but it isn't the actual money that you're earning. It's confidence, it's decision making, it's solving problems faster, it's learning new skills, it's staying consistent. And those things do not show up immediately on your bank statement. They can create your future income, but they're really hard to measure. So imagine meeting yourself a year ago. Imagine of the version of yourself from 1 year ago walking into the room. What would they think? What would they be impressed by? What would they, have an opinion about you? Would they be impressed by your knowledge, your confidence, your website, your products, your videos? And if you're honest with with yourself, I think they actually would, because you've forgotten how much you've learned. I talk about this constantly too, is to track your win. And this connects to the previous video that I did. When you track your wins, you create evidence, and evidence is that you're improving, evidence is that you're learning, evidence that you're growing. And without evidence, your brain just automatically goes to panic. Oh my God, nothing's happening, I'm not growing, etc. And we've also talked about this in this series. It's the first 20 hours. Put 20 hours into something. You could learn Shopify in 2 long days of work. So 10-hour blocks of work, and you could learn it. You could follow my 5-minute rule. You could follow my learning ahead rule, my momentum video, my content video, my consistency video. None of these things create overnight success. But when you combine all of these things together over months and years, they are going to completely transform the person that you are and the business that you have. I forget to do this as well. I forget to, pat myself on the back, which, I think some people would be like, is she full of herself, or is it a necessary step? Mental health is such a big part in today's society. Everything that we do is put out onto the internet for people to judge and to criticize and to compare against. And I really feel like we all need to be our own best friends. Have you heard that saying before? Like, treat yourself like the person you love the most. Start treating yourself like that. Start taking, little steps every day to move yourself forward, but also keep track of them so that when you are in a slump and you can't, get yourself going on to, the next project or finishing the actual project that you're started on, I think you need to take a second and just go, holy crap. If I was that person a year ago, would I be able to do what I'm doing in my office today? Absolutely freaking not. So be aware, try to keep your own thoughts, on point. Now, when I say I treat myself sometimes as my own best friend, or the person that I love the most, I'm also the person that's like, dang girl, get it together. So, you can give yourself a side of sass while you're patting yourself on the back. There's nothing wrong with that. So if I want you guys to remember from today's video, somebody else's success should not be what you measure yourself against. Measure yourself against where you were last week, last month, a year ago. And I hope these videos are helping you guys. I love being here. Leave your questions and concerns in the comments so that I can make more encouraging content. And remember, I always say to you guys, start on Shopify because it connects to everything else. You can do it. Grab my book, From Zero to YouTuber. If you don't have a copy of it yet, I'll put the QR code right here. We'll see you next week in another Motivation Mondays video series just for channel members. Thank you for joining the channel membership. Have a spectacular day. Bye now.